First up, let's get you some more updates from Uttar Pradesh. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat, who's one of the key guests as far as the Bhumi Pujan function in Ayodhya on August 5 is concerned, has arrived in Lucknow. He will be making his way to Ayodhya for the Bhumi Pujan function tomorrow. These are some live visuals, some latest visuals coming in of RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat, whose name is there on the invite, along with 4 others, including the Prime Minister and, of course, Uttar Pradesh Governor and Chief Minister. He's going to be present on the stage, one of only 5 guests who will be on the stage as the Bhumi Pujan happens for the Ram Temple tomorrow in Ayodhya. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat has arrived in Lucknow, is what we're getting to know. He will be, of course, making his way to Ayodhya for the function tomorrow, along with, of course, the Prime Minister himself, who will be present as one of the key guests. You will have Anandibhai Patel and also Yogi Adityanath, who will be on the stage along with RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat. The function will be a little low-key. Very few, under 200 guests are being allowed, most of them to represent various groups of Hindu belief, and very few dignitaries who are being able to actually make their way physically to Ayodhya. Several others will be joining by video conferencing. My colleague Samarth is also joining us live from Lucknow. Samarth, tell us more.
Hello.
Samarth, if you can hear me, tell us more of what you can see around you and the plans for tomorrow. So it's less than 24 hours to go now as Ayodhya gets set for the foundation stone laying ceremony, in which Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself will be present. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath along with the state governor will be present, and RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat, one of the 5 guests who will be on the stage as Ayodhya witnesses this grand event that will, of course, usher in the construction of the Ram Temple that has been mired in litigation and controversies for not just all of independent India's life, but also nearly 500 years. Let's try and go across to my colleague Samarth, who's joining us live from Lucknow now. Samarth, tell us more about the plans that RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat has. Is he going to leave for Ayodhya already, or what is the plan right now?
Look, I'm here in Lucknow's Nirala Nagar, and right behind me is the Saraswati Kunj, where Mohan Bhagwat, the chief of RSS, is staying. Since morning, he arrived in Lucknow at around 9:30 a.m. and is staying at this very place since morning. And in around 4 to 5 minutes, he is expected to leave for Ayodhya from this particular place. As you said, the cavalcade is already ready. The cars are already ready. Security officials have also came outside, and the barricades will be removed from here. And if I can show you the road outside it, the barricades have been cleared also, so you can see the movement of cars are on, and we are here since last 4 hours. And as you can see the scenes, anytime Mohan Bhagwat can leave this place and leave for Ayodhya. As you know, he will participate in the Bhumi Pujan, which is expected tomorrow, and he will join Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Nritya Gopal Das, Yogi Adityanath and Anandibhai Patel. These 5 persons will go onto the stage for the Bhumi Pujan, while other guests will remain behind. So these are the scenes from Lucknow. He is going to leave this Saraswati Kunj in 4 to 5 minutes from here. Yes.
Okay. All right, Samarth. Thanks a lot for joining us. We'll keep coming back to you for more.